Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Bash script. Today we are going to learn handling the API responses in the Bash, parsing JSON data. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have the code for handling the API responses in the Bash. Let's copy this and paste this with the help of the JSON placeholder API. Okay, so here we go with this one. Let's comment the previous code and let's add this one. Okay, so here we have the code for the API curl request. Okay, so curl request is there, right? Parsing JSON response data using the JQ. So make sure JQ should be installed to your Linux system to extract the usernames. Okay, and displaying the extracted username with the help of the this one. Okay, so let's save this and try to run this one. Okay, so here we go with this one. Clear. Let's run this. Here you can see usernames all are printed over here, right? So let's see. Here we go with this code. Okay, just normal the curl API. If I go and just copy this and hit this, here you can see the first name is Lean Graham. Okay, and the second one is Erwin Howell. If you go and check this one, Lean Graham and Erwin Howell, so names are printed over here, right? And let's understand the code more in deep. Okay, so curl hyphen ss http json placeholder like this performs a get request to the json placeholder apis slash users endpoint and captures the response silently with hyphen double s. Okay, suppresses the unnecessary output. jq hyphen r dot brackets dot name uses jq to parse the json response and extract the name field from the each user object. This $name navigates through the array of the users and extract their names. Okay, so this one extract only the names. Okay, and echo $users displays the extracted usernames, right? So this is how you can parse the JSON data in your Bash script. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.